If your Samsung washer UR code appears on the display, it means the washer has detected an unbalanced load. Some models may show a UE code instead, but the cause is the same. Your laundry isn't evenly distributed inside the drum. This can happen when washing heavy items like large towels or bath mats, which may get stuck on one side or tangled in the agitator. Other possible causes include an uneven washer placement or a problem with the drive belt. How to fix the Samsung washer. UR Code 1. Unbalanced laundry load. One of the most common reasons for this error is an uneven distribution of clothes. If the drum is overloaded or underloaded, it may struggle to spin properly. Try removing a few items if the washer is too full, or adding more if there are only a few lightweight items. Heavy items like blankets or large towels can also cause an imbalance. If they get tangled or clumped together, the washer may not be able to spin correctly. To fix this, untangle the load or add similar weight items to help balance the drum. Strings or laces, such as those from shoes or hoodies, can also get caught inside the drum and create an imbalance. To avoid this, place these items in a mesh laundry bag before washing. Once the laundry is balanced properly, the Samsung washer UR code should disappear, and the cycle will continue. 2. Washer not level. A lesser-known cause of this error is that the washer itself isn't sitting evenly on the floor. If the machine was recently installed or moved, check to make sure all 4 legs are level. Even a slight tilt can lead to an unbalanced drum. You can check this by using a level tool or simply observing if the washer wobbles when running. If necessary, adjust the washer's feet with a wrench until it is perfectly level. 3. Faulty control module. Sometimes, the washer's control module mistakenly detects an unbalanced load when there isn't one. This can happen due to a temporary glitch in the system. A simple reset may solve the problem. Just unplug the washer for about 10 minutes and plug it back in. If the error keeps returning and you've ruled out other causes, the control module may be faulty and might need replacement. 4. Drive belt issues. The drive belt is what helps the washer drum spin. If it's loose, slipping, or damaged, the washer may struggle to turn the tub properly, causing it to detect an unbalanced load. You may notice this issue particularly during the spin cycle. To check the belt, you'll need to access the back, front, or top panel, depending on your washer model. If the belt is loose, tightening it may fix the issue. However, if it's worn out or broken, replacing it will be necessary. Final thoughts. The Samsung washer. UR code is usually easy to fix with simple troubleshooting steps like rebalancing the laundry, leveling the washer, or resetting the machine. However, if the problem persists, checking the drive belt or control module may be necessary. Regular maintenance and proper loading techniques can help prevent this error from happening in the future.